Today, I'll show you how to search Protonmail so you can quickly find the messages you need without wasting time scrolling through your inbox. We'll keep this simple and focus on the basic search tools built right into the Protonmail interface. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to run an effective search. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. Make sure you're on the official site and then sign into your account as you normally would. Once you're logged in, you'll land in your inbox or whatever folder you last viewed. Take a second to let the page fully load because you'll be using the navigation at the top of the screen for search. Near the top of the page, you'll see a search bar or a search field labeled something along the lines of search messages. This is usually positioned above your list of emails. This search bar is where you'll start any search in Protonmail. If you don't see it immediately, look toward the upper center or upper right area of the interface. It's a key part of the layout, so it should be easy to spot. Click directly on that search bar. As soon as you click, the field becomes active and ready for your search term. You may notice that Protonmail sometimes shows a hint or placeholder text inside the bar, just to remind you that this is where you search your messages. Once the cursor is blinking in the field, you're ready to type. Now search for a message. Think about what you remember from the email you're trying to find. This could be the sender's name, a specific word or phrase from the subject line, or a keyword from the body of the email. Type that into the search bar. For example, if you're looking for a receipt, you might type receipt or the company name. If you remember who sent it, you can type part of their email address or their display name. As you type, Protonmail may automatically start suggesting results or narrowing down the list in the background, depending on your settings. If your first search term is too broad and you see too many results, try being more specific. Add another keyword or a unique phrase you remember. The more precise you are, the easier it will be to land on the exact message you need. Once you've entered your search terms, go ahead and run the search by clicking the search icon or the search button, usually shown as a magnifying glass. You can also often press enter on your keyboard to do the same thing. Protonmail will then scan your messages based on what you entered and display the results in the main message list area. Look through the results that appear. They'll be shown just like normal emails with the sender, subject line, and date. From here, you simply click on the message you were looking for to open it. If you don't find what you need the first time, use the same search bar to adjust your keywords and click search again until you get the right message. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to use Protonmail's built-in search. Go to protonmail.com, click on the search field at the top, type what you're looking for, and then click search to see your results.